Good day, dear colleagues and dental students. My name is Apokin Alexander, and I welcome you on our YouTube Rubberdamology channel, where we study rubber dam isolation methods for working in the oral cavity with your dental patients. Thank you for your connection. Today we discuss the methods of isolation near the areas of partial tooth absence in the tooth arch of your patients. This part discuss the lower jaw and the area of molars. In my training model, I removed the tooth number 36 to emulate the absence of the first molar. In our training, we use anchor clamps from Torvium company for the molars with the wingless double Guthrie clamp with wings, clamp number 7, and active clamp with the small, like a tiger, margin of the branches, clamp number 30A. For rubber dam plates, I using Nicton plates because I think this is the best plates for work in the therapeutic and prosthetic fields with isolation. We're fixing rubber dam plate on our metal frame very carefully. Connect the soft and clean surface to the metal frame, and another more technical rough surface for the patient. For lower jaw, distal tooth in the tooth arch fixation with the anchor clamp, no matter wingless or wings, we must make perforation very near to the lower part of our metal frame, in the center or lower left or lower right areas of the rubber dam plate. It's very handy to make perforations from the bottom side of the metal frame. And the other variant, you always can make these perforations from the top side of the metal frame, but you have no such nice rubber dam fixation. I choose perforation of the big diameter for molars and made one perforation for anchor clamp, tooth number 37. Then we have the area of absence of tooth 46. So I must make free of perforation surface and then make perforation for first and second premolar. I switch for middle diameter in the puncture and take 1 centimeter or more from the anchor point. I switch for macro camera. This is quite enough. The second premolar and then from the 5 millimeter from the perforation for second premolar, the next perforation for first premolar, and this perforation is the near of the bottom margin of the metal frame. Then I choose clamp number 7 and fix it into the perforation in the rubber dam plate. One wings, the second wings from the other side, such way, and two wings, small additional to the facial surface. Then we release the bottom angles of metal frame and we're ready for fixation in the oral cavity of our patient or training model. Before, please insert clamp pillars forceps in these clamp perforations and fix it with this part so you can hold it without any pressure for handles. Then put it on a model and fix this clamp very carefully on the neck of the tooth in the cervical area. And now you can release the rubber dam perforation margin from the wings of this clamp with any suitable instrument. Very often I use rope, sharp rope, it's very nice for this work. After that, it's very easy, you can place the other perforations to the premolars. After exercise is finished, traditionally we made envelope left side, hold and slightly tense this left margin of rubber dam plate and cover it with this angle to the top angle of metal frame, hold inner part of rubber dam and then cover with the outer part. Of course, as the same, stretch it down very slow and cover with the other side and then made envelope very easy. Now you're ready for work in this area. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, feel free to ask it in the comments below. See you next lesson.